Hi guys, it's Pila here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not subscribe, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can be updated about everything that I post. Okay, so today guys, I want us to talk about the things that happens previous. Why it is important to use your left when you are trading. Let's just go and check. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, no need for the score today. Let's say this is what happened now. Let's forget ukuthi kwenzeke nini. Let's say maybe it was years, or even months or weeks, doesn't matter, but we can only use daily or not even daily, any time frame, but mostly I prefer to use it on higher time frames because higher time frame most of the time is accurate compared to lower time frames like 30 minutes, 15 minutes and so on. This is what you will encounter in the market most of the time. I'm not sure if some of you have seen something like this. Okay, look at this. I'll use my horizontal line here. You see, first touch, let me do something like this. First touch, second touch, third touch. Let's say for instance this one from here going onward, it never happened. We only have this part. So underneath we have this one, another line. We'll use the lines as support and resistance. Then look at this. The bounce was here. It was just a bounce. The bounce was broken. After the bounce was broken, look what happened. The price went up to test the bounce. It went down. It came back to test the bounce. It went down. It came back. It went down. Let's use another line here, as you can see. Now let's extend our line. Our bounce was broken, as you can see. Let's forget about this one. Let me erase it. Holy flip, I'm using a box, but it's fine. It's fine with the box. So look at this one. It's a bounce, it's a bounce, it's a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce. So let's forget about this part. Let's say for instance you don't know what happened on your left. How are you going to use what happened on your left to your favor? You look at what happened long time ago. The price was here. It was ranging for almost 3 times and our range was broken here and it was tested. Remember, I once said support. Once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. Once a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. This is what you have to use here. So look at this. It was testing here and you see, so this time it is testing this side. It came to test again. It came to test again. Then this time it was broken. It came to test this side and yabuyazo retestala. You see, the price went up, went down. This one was also broken, as you can see. This one was consumed. Then we have this one. This one is not that big compared to the previous one. How many touches do we have? We only have 4 touches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 4th touch went straight up. So now what are we going to do here? We use our box again. Okay, fine. So now we hear the price went up. How are we going to know what's going to happen this side? From what happened previous, you have a horizontal line that will go like this. Before everything happened on your right, you have everything on your left that will lead you to the right. That will tell you what's going to happen to the right. So look at this. The price, even though my drawings is not accurate, even on Forex it is not even accurate. So it came back to test this one. It went up. It came back to test this one. It was testing as a resistance. Now it's testing as a support. We have a horizontal line on top where the price is ranging. So now what happened? The price is going down. this one was broken, it will become our what? Our support, I mean our resistance. Look at this, it is broken here. Once the support is broken, it becomes a what? A resistance. Look at this, now it is a resistance. Look at what happened previous, we extend. Look at this, look at what happened here, we extend. I think now you have a little bit of understanding of what is happening in the market. The market, guys, is ranging. Whatever that is happening on your left, it will happen on your right. But you must understand how the market moves so that it will be easy for you to master everything. Because if you understand how the market moves, you will never go wrong. Let's go and check what I'm talking about. Let me start from weekly and see what I have here. Okay, I'll use my horizontal line. I'll put it here. I'll go to H4. Okay, before I go to H4, look at this. We have a touch here. I assume it was a first touch because of there's nothing on my left. This was the first touch. It was broken here. The price went up, it went down, it was tested again. The price went down, it was tested again. It was broken here. Let's go to daily and see what happened on daily time frame. I have to zoom out. Look at this, look at this. You see, even though it is not that accurate on higher time frame, let's use daily and see what we can find on daily time frame. Okay, this one looks a bit accurate. Look at this. It's a touch, it's a touch, it's a touch, it's a touch, touch. It was broken. It came back to test. It went down again. It was ranging. It went down. It came back to the same line. It tested, it went down. Where is the price now? The price is here. Okay, as we can see here, the price started from here, it went up. Let's go back and check from previous. Okay, we don't have much information when we go back. Guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any important information that you need. I assume that you are here because of you want to learn how to trade, and I'm here to help you. So it's important to understand what happened on your left. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Look at here. Look at here, look at here. It was tested here, it went up, the price came back, it was ranging, same spot. What is important is your left. You need to understand what is happening on your left so that you can be able to trade what's gonna happen on the future. Your left hand side is always important in the trading, guys. It is very much important. So once you understand how to use it, you will never go wrong in the trading journey. Believe me, it's very simple once you understand what happened in your left, or use what happened on the left to your advantage. Because now, if you just trade, what are you going to trade? You'll trade something that you don't understand. Let's make an example of this one. Look at this. Let me see how many minutes I have. Okay, I can make it. Look at this. You don't know what happened on your left. You saw the market going down here. You think, you know what, now it's time to sell, it's time to sell. You're selling. Look at the market, what it did. How many candles in 4 hours? 1, 2, 3. 3 candles. Well, the price was going down. Out of the blue, the price is turning now. Why is that? You don't even ask yourself. It's because of what happened to your left. People that are trading, they know how it works. They will never go wrong. What is it that you have to do? You have to understand what happened to the left so that you can use it to your advantage. It is very important, guys, to understand what happened to your left. You cannot master Forex if you don't use what happened on your left to your advantage. It is very much important to understand and use what happened to your left. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video.